a great choice today with the 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel drive, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.